Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now, I am popping on today to continue on with our 2022 Lovely Canvas Challenge. And, I know this is supposed to be a monthly event, and last month I actually had to take a month off for the month of April because there was a lot going on. And so, in the words of the original Queen Bee, I've been gone for a minute, but now I'm back with the jump off. So we are going to continue on with the Canvas Challenge. And so for those who are new to the channel or are not familiar with this challenge in the series, the Lovely Canvas Challenge is where I simply take 4 different prompts each month and I use them to guide me in how I create on some type of a canvas. Now this is a 5x7 canvas from the Dollar Tree. There's 2 in a pack, so I think I got 2 for $1 or 2 for $2. The pricing's a little different, and I don't even know when I bought these, but nevertheless, I'm going to use prompts that I pull from this box, which I have not seen prior to. I obviously put them in there, but it won't be in any particular order, and that is what I will use to help me determine what I'm going to create. So I'm going to be inspired by what's in this box, and there'll be a playlist in the description box that will take you back to the first one, the second one, and I think this is the third one. Might be a fourth. I think it's the third. Nevertheless, and so without further ado, let me go ahead and open up our customized box of randomness. So now for our word prompt, I'm gonna let me do it like this, okay? Awake. Okay, it's getting complicated already. Color choice, orange. Oh Lord, well, oranges are citrus. Okay. This is when I definitely have no hand in like pre-selecting, because this is not a color that I even create with at all. Like I don't ever reach for that color. All right, so medium choices. I'm moving these around while I have my eyes closed, and I'm gonna pick one. This one. What is it? Acrylic paint, easy. Now that's easy. Thank God. I mean, give me a little something. Okay, push these around, and I'm going to select one with my eyes closed. Stickers. Oh, well, I'm sure I can make this happen. It seems like it's a little bit challenging. The prompts, I'm not a fan of this. I like this word. I can work with it. Stickers, I'm fine with using stickers for like cards in journals, but I don't know if you know what I mean? Like, okay, we'll figure it out. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull some supplies that I want to work with, some stickers, some acrylic paint, and I'll figure out what I can bring in here that's orange. I think I have something, but I got to see how everything else comes together. So, in the meantime, if you guys want to play along, and I suggest you do, so that we can craft along together, pause the video right here, okay? And go scouring through your home, your craft space, and go look and see what you can find. Pull some recyclables. And now listen, when we conclude this, I will be sharing mine, obviously here, and Patreon will see this first. But I will also be sharing them in my Facebook group, The Maker Exchange. And so I would love for you guys to join me there so that we can share our works of art. Not yourself, because you are the essential work of art. I'm talking about what we create here. Okay, people? So listen, while you're waiting, pause the video, go down below. There's a link to the Maker Exchange. Head on over there, all right? Click join so you can join over there. Come on back, press the pause button again, and then let's get this party started, all right? Boy, what did I get myself into? All right, see you on the other side. Okay, so I think we have accomplished what we set out to. So the prompts obviously was awake, acrylic paint, orange, and stickers. And so orange obviously is the color that I used with the modeling paste and the acrylic to create the background using a stencil. The sticker is something that I got from Dollar Tree. And so there's two of them here. And then the word was awake. And that inspired me when looking through what I had. I saw the word daydreaming, and this is prior to me selecting all the goods. You can't daydream when you're asleep. You can dream, but you can't daydream, right? So I like the idea of embracing a daydream and going further into it, imagining what life is like elsewhere or what your life could be like right now. And again, you can dream when you're asleep, but in order to daydream, you have to be what? Awake. And so I enjoyed this process. This tag and this butterfly die cut came from Happy Mail. I don't have the bag with me, so I don't know whose name is attached to it, but it's one of you guys. If it's you, drop in the comments. Thank you so much for that Happy Mail. As you can see, it's used. This little lace here, you'll see in an upcoming digital kit that will be available in my Etsy shop. This is just a misprint, so I just pulled it and inked the edges and dropped it up underneath there. Obviously, there's some foam underneath just to pull this whole tag up. And then I used some Inkadinkadoo's stamps and some brown pigment ink to add a little bit more interest to the back to kind of, it was quite a bit of white going on. Now, just so you know, in the very beginning, you saw me put down on the canvas by accident, matte medium. I just grabbed it without looking at it and didn't realize it wasn't the clear gesso that I was reaching for. But then once I dried it, I put the acrylic gesso on top of that. And then because I'm out of white gesso, I had to throw my white gesso away because the large tub that I had in it, I don't know what got in it or what I put into it, but it ended up molding before I could actually utilize all of it. So the next time when I replace it, I'll be buying a smaller container so that won't happen again, or I can get through most of it before it molds, if that's something that is an issue with white gesso or gesso in general. Nevertheless. And the last thing that I did was I used the glitter stickles. What is that? Crystal stickles here. And I went along around the frame of the tag, those little dots there, and just put little dots of the stickles there to accent this piece, and a little bit on the butterfly wings, because that's what daydream is all about. It's about imagining something different, right? So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it has inspired you to pull out any of your small canvases, large canvases, acrylic paint, some stickers, and maybe give this month's lovely canvas challenge a shot. And if so, feel free to head over to the Maker Exchange. There's a link to that Facebook group in the description box. You're free to join and share with us your creations, your canvas art, your index card art, whatever you create. You're welcome to come over and share it with us. And that being said, for those who are new to the channel and have not already clicked the subscribe button, if you're still here, you probably should go ahead and do so because you enjoyed the video. And for those who are still here and are returning subscribers, I have to just continue to thank you for your support, for your encouraging words, for your feedback, and thanks to my Patreon family as well. But overall, thank you all for helping me to grow this channel, for allowing me to share with you my creations and my inspirations. And I hope that you gain inspiration and encouragement from the channel as well. And so this is a wonderful creative community. All are welcome. And now that we've reached that little messaging conclusion, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafting. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.